and welcome back to Ocean Kitsune's Gaming. Today I will show you how to make your own shirt on Roblox to upload to Roblox. First, we are going to search Roblox skins. Now please subscribe and like for more of these videos. First, download this app, and then after you're done downloading, go in the app, and then you can see the shirt you want, and then you can download shirts, download pants, like this one I showed you on the last video.
I found a love for me.
Because I actually downloaded it on Roblox. As you can see, it's the same copy. There is many ads, but it is really annoying, but it's okay. It ends fast, not like the other apps. You can download pants.
I found a love for me.
And then there's also Shirt Creator. I'm just gonna press that one because that one looks pretty cool. As you can see, you can skip it really fast. And over here, there's colors, stickers, nature, played, emoji, jeans. There's all kinds of these textures.
I found a love for me.
And you can just add them in. Even there are stickers. That one looks cute. Maybe kitties because I love kitties. Rainbow.
그게 뭐가 중요하니 지금 내게 완전히 푹 빠져든다게.
And yeah. You can also add stickers too if you would like. You can add as many as stickers. There is no limit. And stickers, food, nature, unicorn, animals, emoji, stickers. There are a lot of cute animals. Let's first go to textures and change it. Maybe we can go with the dark.
I found a love for me.
That one, you just need to tap it and then it will work. Maybe the purple too. Let's just go with the turquoise. Then I'm gonna go to stickers, unicorn, and you just need to drag your two fingers, your index finger and then your thumb together, small and then big. I love cats, so maybe I'll add a cat. And then as that one too, you just press on it and then it will work. If you press preview, it's just going to show you how it will look. And if you tap on a sticker again, it will show a X and other buttons too. And if you press export shirt, it will go into your photo library and you can upload it for 10 Robux. So So if you would like just simple, you can just do it like this. If you like more fun and funky stuff, then you can add some more things. Maybe the unicorn can eat the donut. But if you're a simple maker like me, then you can just add one sticker. And as you can see, it looks like this. If you press export shirt, it will look like this. Done. The shirt was saved in your photo library. You just need to press OK. And then after that, you can just go in the photo app right there. And then you will see the things you have downloaded. And after that, you can just go on Roblox and then open the app. And then you can upload it. Like this one I just made. It's going to look so like this is the arm, 2 arms. And then yeah. Bye. I hope you enjoyed.